Let's take a look at how to do the virtual karyotyping lab. Select the virtual karyotyping website and open that up. What would usually happen is that you would take a photograph of the chromosomes from one cell. Then you would cut out each one and place them in a pattern of pairs from the biggest to the smallest chromosome. We are going to do this digitally, which is so much faster. Scroll down to the bottom. First, click on Patient Histories and click on Patient A's karyotype. So this has been partially completed. Click on the homologous chromosome, the chromosome that matches it. All right, so we are trying to match this chromosome with one of these. You'll notice it'll either match with chromosome 2, 5, 12, or 16. I think it most matches 2, so click the blue 2, and yes, it does match, and it put it side by side to prove it. Now look at the next chromosome. Which one does it match? I'm going to guess number 16. That is correct. This one matches number 12, and this one matches number 5. But wait a minute, here is an extra chromosome. Does it pair with 13, 18, or 21? Well, I think it looks most similar to 21. Once you do that, it will go back to this screen. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you'll see the full karyotype. Now look carefully. There is a problem here. What is that problem? Well, if you'll notice, chromosome 21 has 3 copies. That's not good. When you scroll to the top, it will tell you how to write the karyotype notation. So for a different karyotype, 47XY plus 18 indicates the patient has 47 chromosomes, is a male, and has an extra autosomal chromosome 18. All right, 47 chromosomes is the total. Scroll back down. How many total chromosomes do we have? Well, let's see, 23 times 2 is 46, plus 1 extra is 47. So we will write 47, comma. Then XY tells you if it's a male, or XX would be a female. So scroll back down. Is this a male or a female? Remember, the Y chromosome is about half as tall as the X. If there's a little bit difference in height, that doesn't count. It's got to be half as tall or even less to be a Y chromosome. So here we have 2 X's. So this is a female. After we wrote 47, comma, we will write XX, comma. All right, now plus 18. No, it does not mean 18 more chromosomes. It means it has an extra autosomal chromosome 18. So the body chromosome, it has an extra one, not the sex chromosomes, not the X and Y. So plus 18 means the 18th chromosome is the one they have extras of. So let's scroll back down and look. Aha, it's chromosome 21 that we have an extra of. So we would write plus 21. So finally, your chromosome notation will read 47, comma, XX, comma, plus 21. Now we want to identify what condition this patient has. Scroll up again. This time look at the chart. If you have a normal number of chromosomes, the patient's problems are due to something other than abnormal chromosomes. Klinefelter's has 1 or more extra sex chromosomes. Down syndrome, trisomy 21, extra chromosome 21. That's what happened. And then trisomy 13, extra chromosome 13. Okay, so it's Down syndrome. And that is the diagnosis that you will write on your lab paper. If there is a problem with the sex chromosomes, for example, this is a person with an extra sex chromosome. 47 showing the extra chromosome, XXY, showing it's an extra X chromosome. And don't worry about plus or minus because the X and Y's already showed which one. Oh, you have an extra X. You use this information to do the rest of these. You can either click on patient B and you will go straight there. If you click on patient histories by mistake, hit the back arrow and go back. So that way you can continue on to patient B. Figure out their karyotype, then scroll up and down and answer the questions on your lab paper, then continue on to patient C. When you're finished, you will write the karyotype notation for a patient with Turner syndrome. Remember, Turner syndrome is a female with only one X chromosome instead of the usual 2 copies.